Vancouver idiots can't park car, ha ha ha, so funny. Then we discovered there was more to the story. It was actually a 16-year-old unlicensed driver who stole his mother's car, did a hit and run, drove away, and then struggled to park the car in the garage. And the video going viral is what helped the police track him down. So that made a lot of people angry. Of course, they want to know what's going to happen from here. And of course, because we're all sarcastic and negative, a lot of people are like, they'll probably get away with it, or, you know, the mom won't have to pay for it, and yada, yada, yada. Well, here is what is actually going to happen. I guess at this point, ICBC might actually hold the mom accountable for thousands of dollars in damage. They could make the argument that there was implied consent, so by leaving the keys available to her sons, that could count as permission to use the car. At that point, she'd be in breach of her insurance for allowing somebody who is not licensed to drive in BC to operate.
What? Really? It's gonna be on YouTube.
Red Hot Summer for King of Ford, only on the world famous C-Fox. Good job, fucking right on.